standing there having a cigarette last night. I was like, lucky bastard gets to watch it for free.
It's free anyways.
I'm just joking.
Free pa rin eh. Ito paano? Live. Such live.
Can't be tonight.
In denial, you just don't want it. Thank you.
I don't know, it's too soon. I was picturing being here till my birthday. No, I don't know, it's too soon.
Sige.
Tomorrow night siguro.
Looking at the cage. Enjoying. Heroes.
Big night.
Salubungin mo ang napakarami mong nakasuporta nere!
Oh my goodness, goosebumps!
Sit tonight!
It can't be!
Hindi! Oh, yung couch! Oh, yung couch! Allah!
I think it's tonight.
It's tonight. Why would they do that?
Hindi yun!
Hello.
No, that's this guy.
What did you do?
Yeah. That's just me. It's
Last for 3 months lang.
So many of us!
It doesn't
Marami pa tayo masyado, hindi pa gagawin
But they're only gonna choose 4 from the 10.
No, but then again, it's way more bang if it's 10 of us.
Again, they're gonna start again. Watch it. You missed all of them.
Binabati at pinagmamahal kita sa buong bayan at sa buong
Kuya, ang first na nag-announce.
Congratulations.
Kinikilabot ka na ko. Kilabutan.
Oh
my God!
This is crazy.
Salubungin mo ang napakarami mong
Nakasuporta
nere!
Loko na ako ba na?
Wala nga yung mga. Tema.
Kinikilabutan ako!
Ba't hindi siya masyadong... May mga social...
Oo, meron.
Ganda niya, Ganda niya.
Nasa One Man Champion ba kung ano ko?
Talaga?
Pati sa ano? Best friend ni... Bea.
We're going, girl power!
Garnering 1,200,000.
No way.
Wow.
For 32.8% of the total number of votes
Congratulations!
for the
Another winner, Nelay!
Oh, grabe, nerves yan.
Yun yung present. Pero bakit yun yung bata mo? Yung nagsusulit ako nila. Sure naman yung Guys, bakit president ng...
Natakot yung mga tao. Malabong mangyari yan. Ay, bahala kayo dyan. Malabong mangyari yan. Bahala kayo dyan. May nominado ngayon, Sabado.
Hindi, discarding ano yan. Ito na yung
Why would
paglalaban.
Kuya be showing us this?
Yan yung big night din.
Nasa big light.
Maupo nga ni tayo dyan sa salita isa no? Kung bakit ako serving sa
What's happening?
Good night.
Kuya, bakit ganyan?
Maybe quiz like...
Muha.
Si ano pa na? Pares later, si Kuya? Muha.
No, it could be tonight.
It's unlimited, di ba?
Party na lang tayo.
Anything could happen.
It's tonight. Di ba ang sabi nila Ate Melay, wala silang alam na big night na. Pagpasok, sabi ng ano, mapasok sa confession room.
Yung sofa, dinala doon.
Hindi.
Ano na sa ano, Big Dog?
No! No, I don't think so.
Outside world!
Tatalo na ako na may locker.
No, I don't think so.
Pakela, 150!
Ano na?
Loko lang tayo ni Kuya.
Yung kanila Bea, so hindi ko talaga napanood yun. Wala akong...
Oh, kahit sa lahat.
Dati sila Melay, kilala ko sila Melay.
Sila Paul Jake.
Paul Jake. Sam, Nene.
Gosh.
J5, ano na?
Uy, may McDo na doon.
Oo. Kanina ko din napansin.
Kanina na yun.
ko
Kanina lang yun.
Oh my gosh! Bakit meron na? Ano nangyari? Ang dami ng
Nabamal
bago!
yun.
Ang dami ng bago!